Hey guys, so this is
near the water because there's alligators.
this is the path that we're going to show you from Universal Studios back to Hard Rock. So we took the boat over and then we did a couple of things over in the studios and then we went to dinner. But we just thought we would show you this nice leisurely walk and what it's like. There are obviously like different times of the year, there'll probably be different flowers. It's just really nice. Yep.
There's a hotel, look. There's the guitar.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, got it. Point it
Is
out.
that the pool? I gotta get over here. Is that the pool guitar?
Yes.
Can't see it too good. Wow, that's cool.
We'll get it later.
Yeah. I really like this bridge. It's pretty.
You know how do you know the food is good? It's all over your shirt.
Oh gosh. Steven got his food all over his shirt. Look how pretty this bridge is. With the water and the trees.
That's high now picture
Right here. Yeah.
The
Oh
lighthouse
yeah,
and
look at this. Hold on. That's nice. Yeah, it looks really pretty. I really like this. So we're staying here for Steven's birthday, which is actually tomorrow. Oh cool, so they have benches set
Well, this
along
way, too.
here. If you want to sit at the benches over there, you can. And then there's another side path. So there's like, you could walk along the water.
Look, the water's over
Wow, this is really pretty. It's actually like 8 o'clock at night too. It's really light out still for being 8 o'clock at night. But we were told it takes like, it's like a 5-10 minute walk, so we figured we would walk it back to the hotel. Look at this. Do not enter the water. Natural wildlife may be present. Do not feed or touch any animals. Yeah. Probably gators.
No, there's no gators in there.
How do you know?
No.
You're sure?
It's man-made. You
Oh.
can't make it in there. There's
Okay.
no wildlife in there.
Okay. Well, that is good to know. So this little path just winds, or we could have gone the short way, but we decided to go around and go by the water.
That's valet parking over there.
Oh. This probably isn't very interesting to some people, but we just thought we would show like how long it takes.
They're all new.
These bridges are beautiful.
They're all new. Sit
They're
down.
nice. They have a nice view. Sorry for the shaking. Maybe my work kids will watch this video. They always say I need longer videos. Pretty sure that's Hard Rock right there. So we're really close. Just a matter of getting over there. No, you're not supposed to go that way.
That's where these people, yes, you go this
For
way.
real? I thought we were supposed to go that way towards the boats. I have no clue. If this is the case, then this is very short. It's only been 4 minutes and... Oh, no way! It's only been 4 minutes and 15 seconds. That is very short. Oh, my stomach feels full though. We ate twice today. We had our breakfast / lunch, and then we just had our dinner. It's very late for us to be eating. So, and now we're here at the pool. Wow, that was really short. I'm so surprised. And guess what? We're coming down to the pool. So we'll leave you here. That was the walk. How quick was that?